A licensed pilot has admitted during a debate that Earth is stationary and water will always seek and find its level.
Whenever you fly your plane, do you ever account for curvature?
No.
Do you ever account for Coriolis or Earth's spin?
No.
Do you ever see the Earth curving?
No.
Does water find its level?
Yes.
Does it always find its level?
Yes.
Okay, so water always finds its level. Does water conform to its container?
Yes.
Flat horizon.